We're gonna try to give the second engine a first fire right now.
Got nothing.
Fire it up!
We're figuring it out.
Quick, don't panic.
Well, that's neat.
Was that very anticlimactic?
Very.
First time, every time. Right?
First time, every time. Fire it up! Dude, it actually fired right up. That was sweet.
Fantastic. Alright, we need to do power steering fluid next.
Sick.
Ready?